Scarcity and choice is the essence of economics. We were discussing about the resources, scarcity of resources and unlimited wants. Resources are always scarce in comparison to our wants. I may have a lot of money. I may be richer than Anil Ambani, Mukesh Ambani. I will be richer than Adani, and I will be having all the money of the world. But still, I will be having something which I want to gain. So the resources are always scarce. These are always limited. If I have 100 rupees and I am feeling hungry, I will be going to eat some food in a legitimate hotel. If I am having 10 rupees or 20 rupees in my pocket and I am feeling hungry, I will go at a place where I can find some kachori, samosa or any other item which can satisfy my hunger. But if I am having 1000 rupees and I am feeling hungry, I will look for a better hotel. And if I am having more than that and feeling hungry, I will be looking for a 5-star hotel. I will spend all money on that hunger. In 10 rupees, I will get 1 or 2 kachoris and satisfy my hunger. But when I am having 4000 rupees in my pocket, then also I satisfied my hunger. I done nothing. But I spent a lot more amount than that. So, as much resources we having, as our wants increases. So, we can say, if we are the richest person on the earth, can we fulfill all our wish, all our wants? No, because I will be having more and more wants. How much resources are increasing, that much wants would be increased. So, when we have the scarcity, then we get the choice. When we have scarcity of resources, we need to choose. We need to choose between the things that what I use or what I give. Suppose you are having 10 rupees in your pocket. You are feeling hungry and at the same time you don't have a pain and you have a lot of homework to do. What would you do? And remember one thing, you can buy only one item, either kachori or pen. You don't have any other option and you don't get the things cheaper than that. So what would you do? You will choose between both the items. Either you buy a pen and complete your homework, or you will buy a kachori and fulfill your hunger. What you do, it depends on the intensity. If you are feeling hungry, you will think for eating kachori. If you are feeling very hungry, you will definitely eat kachori. If you have little bit work, so I say work. You will think to purchase pen, or you say, okay, I will make some excuses in class and day after tomorrow I will completing the work. But if you have old work or you have lot of work with you, you will definitely purchase pen. You will not feel about the hunger because you need to go next day when you go to class. You will be punished for not doing homework. So what would you do? You will be thinking for these four conditions. Am I hungry or I am very hungry? Am I just have homework or I have old homework or lot of homework? If you feel hungry and having lot of homework, you will buy a pen, not kachori. If you have work, that is today's work, not the old work, and feeling very hungry, what would you do? You will purchase kachori and you will fulfill your hunger. So here, what you need to do? You need to choose between kachori and pen. So, choice. And how this choice emerged? This choice emerged because of the scarcity. Because of the scarcity. So, scarcity causes choice. What we can say? Scarcity causes choice, and at the same time, choice implies decision making whether to buy pen or to buy kachori. What you are going to buy? You need to make a decision, and the decision that is because you have to choose. And why this choice is coming? Because you have the scarcity of the resources. And this decision making, it is related to usage of limited resources in a manner that consumer maximizes his satisfaction. और ये decision making जो भी आप करेंगे, whether you going to buy a pen or to buy a kachori, that will be done for the maximization of your satisfaction. Now, how the satisfaction is maximized? For a consumer, it is done by purchasing goods. For a producer, it is done by making profit. By making enough profit. For a society, it is done by getting social welfare. So, three important points are there. First one, scarcity causes choice. Choice implies decision making, and decision making takes us to maximization of our wants, that is purchasing satisfaction for consumer, that is maximization of profit for producer, and that is maximization of social welfare for a society. So this is the relation between the resources and the wants. Resources are scarce and wants are unlimited, and as we have the unlimited wants and limited resources, we need to choose, and that choice makes us take us to next step. There we need to decide, we need to do the decision making, and that decision making depends on what in what role we are. If we are a producer, we will be looking for maximum profit. If you are a consumer, we will be looking to purchase. If we are a society, then we will be looking for the social welfare. Thank you.